Hello, hi, this is Ganesh, and in this video I'm going to unbox the Samsung Galaxy Watch. And you see, this is the package I got from Samsung shop. This order I given in Samsung shop. So this package is coming from Cervex International Distributors or something international company. This is actually, they given me the time for delivering this is nearly 5 days given, but within 3 days I got this pack actually. So the package is very nice. Even it is Samsung shop. This is generally whatever Samsung products we want to buy, better we have to go to the Samsung shop and all those things. Earlier I've taken one more Samsung Galaxy phone also from Samsung shop. Here in this we have some discounts, also better discounts, and a good delivery also. Yes, now I'll open this and I'll show you how the watch and how they pack the package and everything we are going to see in this video. And after cutting off this package, I got a box. Inside another box is this is another package. I think even we can remove this one again. I hope one more box is there inside, I think. Okay, and just I put this cover aside and you see this box I'm cutting off, and let us see inside one more Galaxy box is there inside. Just I pull it out. Yes, this is the box, and inside this box I have the bill. I think this is the bill. This is the bill paper. I got it, and these two I keep it aside. And look at here. This is the Galaxy watch box, and it's looking a premium look. This is and here on this box here we have different kind of things, generally one quantity, and this is actually 30,000, but I got this watch about 15,000 rupees I got it. But even this 2020 also, I feel this is the better watch. This is a better watch with all the features, very less price I got it. This box, you see all the things are there here, one quantity and adapter and whatever things are there in the box, everything is given here. Charging and watch strap, travel adapter and wireless charging pad, and additional watch strap also given, small size, and quick start guide is also there, and the dimensions given 4.60 centimeters and 4.90 centimeters and 1.30 centimeters. These are all width, height, and all those things. Then month and year manufacture is September 2020. Yes, that is very nice thing. And the color is silver. Given here, silver color. So these are the things, whatever in the box we are getting, those are the things given here. And one more thing, here we have the specifications here. Bluetooth, important things given: Bluetooth, Wi-Fi, GPS, and 1.5 GB RAM. And this is running Android 5 phones. Yes, it is. We can use this watch with Android phones, more than 5 Android 5, and all those things given here. And remaining all, yes, seal, the seal is very important. Yes, seal, Samsung seal is there. And after removing this again, I'll come back. Yeah, look at here. This is the watch, very premium look. This is I like this premier look and everything, and it is very nice. Just I'll take it out. Yeah, this is the watch, and I like very much. These buttons are very smooth, and this steel case is very nice, and these rubber straps are very nice and very quality product. This is I think And one more thing, after using a few days, I'll give you a review on this watch again. And this is the physical overview. Here you see, here we have a speaker also very important. Nowadays smartphones are having speakers. And this is the inside part. This is inside, that means a charger and some heart rate sensors are there, and this side two physical buttons are there, this one and this one, and we can rotate the bezel here, and this rotating option is very nice in this. And here a small plastic is there. I'll remove this plastic, and even after using a few days, I'll give you the complete review about this watch. And I hope here microphone also there, microphone and speaker and rotating bezel, and the straps are very nice and everything. And after taking out the watch, and inside what are the things are there, let us see. Here this side we have, yes, charging dock. So this is the charging dock. We can charge our watch using this charging dock. Here the USB port is there here, and this charging dock also very quality product this is. And this side we have, I think this is the cable. Yes, charging adapter. Yes, charging adapter. And we can put this here, and after that we have to place our watch like this, and it will automatically charges itself. Here some magnetic is there. Yes, magnetic is there, so we can charge like this. So charger and charging dock is there. After that we have a user guide manual also there. Yes, here using this user manual guide. So how to operate this watch and everything, we can find it by using this Galaxy. This is the warranty card and Galaxy watch user guide. This how can we use and everything, we can read it from this. And nothing is there. And inside, yes, here one more strap is there. This extra strap given, I think. Yes, this is the extra strap. You can see here, this is the smaller one and this is the bigger one, and this is a smaller strap given, one more extra, and we can use this one or that one. So these are the things given in the box. So instead of this, nothing is there inside this box. User manual guide and these two, and one more extra strap, and with this phone. Yes, this is the things I want to share with you about unboxing. And after using a few days, I'll give you the review, how is this watch and everything. Then we'll meet in another video. If you really like this video, please like and share this video to your friends, and thank you very much.